Hi, my name is Patrick, and I'm the creator of Lead Generated. In this video, I'm going to run you through a quick high-level demo of this platform. We're going to breeze through this quickly and give you an idea of things, but there's a lot of additional features hiding within the system. Lead Generated is made up of 7 different modules, and they can work together or independently. The 7 different modules are lead management, reputation management, the GMB heat map, due diligence, GMB management, Google Ads, and finally the questionnaires module. Lead Generated started with the lead management module. It brings all of your leads from all your sites into one location. Whether it be from forms, phone calls, or any other type of lead, there's a way to get it into our system. This allows you to organize and analyze things so you can really get a pulse on how your lead flow is for a website or a client. This platform is very flexible, allowing you to bend and adjust the system to track, search, sort, or filter on your own custom criteria. Every client or website has its own dashboard. In addition, all your clients can have their own login, and they can only see the things you give them permission to. Our spam filters are incredibly powerful, and they learn as you go. They were designed based on the patterns we have seen in form submission spam over years and years of running our own agency. We manage several hundred websites within our agency, and on a monthly basis, our spam filters prevent more than 15,000 spam messages, blocking higher than 99% of the attempted spam. Previously, someone had to make a decision on messages 15,000 times a month. This saves us time and allows us to deliver a higher value product to our clients. The reputation management module is designed to help you get more good reviews while preventing bad ones. There is a centralized dashboard where you can see the reviews from a number of various sources and reply to any reviews from directly within our system. The funnel is kind of the main piece of this module. Let's take a look at how this works. Imagine we have a company that will help you if there's a bear on your property. We'll call it Bob's Bear Removal. So let's pretend Bob came out to remove a bear from Ralph's house and everything goes well. The bear was removed peacefully, and as always, he was not hurt. After the service, Bob sends a message to Ralph that says something like, "Hey Ralph, we're trying to improve our online presence and we'd love to hear about your experience." Happy with the service, Ralph clicks the link in the message and is redirected to the funnel where he's presented with this page. Since Ralph is happy with the service, he clicks on 5 stars and he's redirected to whatever sites Bob has set up within the system, in this case, Google. So when he clicks on Google here, he's taken to the right place where he can leave a review. We have just made it super simple to get a positive review for Bob from Ralph. Now let's pretend that Ralph is not happy. Maybe the bear came back and threw garbage all over the yard. This time Ralph clicks on 1 star, but instead of being presented with the links to the review sites, he's redirected to the feedback form. This form can be routed to Bob so he can address the issue and make sure Ralph is happy. Both the review and feedback funnels are completely customizable, so you can add your own logo, colors, text, or whatever you like. In addition, you can create a sequence of customizable review requests that are delivered on whatever schedule you set. If the customer, Ralph in our example, completes a review, it will pull them out of the review request sequence. Within the research menu item, we have both the GMB heat map and due diligence modules. The heat map module is a phenomenal tool that gives you a ton of information on the map area of the search results. As most local businesses know, this is the most important part of the search results. Ranking well in this area can make all the difference in how much business a company gets from online search. The GMB or map area is very proximity based, so as you move across a town, the rankings can change dramatically. The heat map gives you a color-coded grid on top of a map. Each grid point has a number that corresponds with your ranking if someone had done a search for a given term at that precise location. The green colors indicate that you're ranking within the top 3 spots. As the map turns from yellow to red, your rankings get worse. The color-coded grid paints an easy-to-understand picture of how we're doing within the most important part of local search. Once you know how we're ranking, we can apply specific strategies to those areas to turn those red dots to green, which means our clients get more business. As you can imagine, this is a very powerful prospecting tool. Presenting a potential client with undeniable evidence that a known competitor is dominating their territory elicits an emotional response that demands action. In addition, the tool is great for doing due diligence and market research. The built-in averaging will tell you who the top ranked company for any given search term for the area that you specify. You can then do your research on this company, so you know exactly the challenge that lies ahead for you in this market. The next module is the due diligence module. In every niche, there are certain things we want to know about a local market. Choosing the right local market and niche can save us months and thousands of dollars. We have a tool that can help you evaluate things based on what you decide is important. Within the due diligence tool, there is a worksheet that you can complete, and based on your responses, you can assign a difficulty rating to the niche. These responses are saved in our system for further evaluation. You can comb through your list, analyze things, and make a more educated decision on your next target. The Google menu item has two modules, the GMB management and Google Ads tool. The GMB management module allows you to add all your GMBs and manage them from one centralized location, which will save you a ton of time. We understand your GMBs are valuable and fragile, and the GMB module can help protect those. Google created the technology necessary to manage all of these GMBs in one location, and we were required to get approval by Google to provide this service to you. Because of this, it's viewed as a more trusted source than going through your Google dashboard. The common thought process among many SEOs is that you can reduce your suspensions by using a system like this. In addition, since the changes are coming from our server, you greatly reduce your footprint with Google. Again, they expect systems like this to manage hundreds of thousands of listings, if not more. Through Lead Generated, you can edit your GMB, upload photos, respond to reviews or questions, make and schedule posts, see the analytical data on how your GMB is performing, as well as get real-time notifications on events such as suspensions or a new review. The Google Ads tool allows you to build ads for Google in a very efficient way. When running Google Ads, you set a daily budget, and every time someone clicks on your ad, it reduces what remains in your budget. When you exhaust your budget, your ads no longer show. Part of what determines how much a click costs is a rating system called Quality Score. This is something Google created. One of the main components of Quality Score is ad relevance. This is a relationship between the text in your ad and what the person searches for. The Google Ads tool allows you to input search terms. It uses the search terms to create the ad text for your ads. This results in ads that are highly relevant, which improves your quality score. With a higher quality score, you reduce your cost for each click, and you're able to stretch your budget further. Within just a few minutes, you can build hundreds of ads that have a one-to-one match with your search term. The final module is the questionnaires module. This is great for gathering information about your clients. You can make a custom onboarding form that ensures you never forget to ask a question or have to ask the same question twice. Every questionnaire is saved and associated with the client's dashboard and profile within Lead Generated. An onboarding system for new clients instills legitimacy and screams professionalism. It's an easy assumption for clients that if you have a system in place to handle onboarding, you've done this many times before. Lead Generated gives you several different user role options, which can be used by your clients or various people within your agency. From our integrations menu, you can extend the connection from Lead Generated to WordPress, Weebly, or any other site on the internet. Zapier is a third-party website that connects to more than 2,000 applications outside of Lead Generated. With Zapier, you can create custom workflows based on triggers that you define and use conditional logic. We are constantly adding more integrations directly into our system, but having the Zapier integrations means you don't have to wait on us to start using their huge library of applications. We know how learning a new software can be a daunting process, so we have built our system in a way that is very intuitive and easy to learn. To help you get up to speed at the pace that suits you best, we have built in a step-by-step training system with videos and articles on how everything works. We make it simple to track your progress. In addition, we have a comprehensive searchable support system with videos, articles, and screenshots for every part of Lead Generated. Still need more help? We have excellent support through our ticket system and chat. We are here to help. Thank you for checking out Lead Generated. We look forward to helping you take your business to the next level.